Hello everyone, this is a pot pasta recipe everyone is so excited to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it in a short time. So first we're going to cook the pasta. So right into the boiling pot you add the salt, add the pasta, and let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes. And for the first minute you want to stir the pasta so it won't stick. So let's go ahead and prepare the chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts. First I'm going to cut it into strips and then cut it into 1 inch thick. And before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next recipe. Okay, on medium heat, let's add some oil and we're gonna brown the chicken. Season the chicken with salt. And also add some black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. And let the chicken brown on both sides. We don't want to overcook the chicken, just to brown the meat. We're going to remove the chicken and set them aside. Now I'm going to prepare the cheese sauce. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter using the same pan. And to the melting butter, we're going to add some flour. We're going to add it a little bit at a time. And we want to stir it to avoid lumps. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And then I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. And add the garlic to the sauce. Now add 1 cup of milk. So let the milk come to a boil so it can be thick. Add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. And let's add some spinach to the sauce. Allow the spinach to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to assemble our pasta. So we're going to place the pasta in an oven-proof dish. So let's pour the cheese mixture. And then we're going to return the chicken to the pot. So can you imagine? This is it. We're going to combine everything very well. And now tap the pasta with more cheese. And we're going to bake it for 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And the pasta is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. And thanks for watching.